Hi everyone, I'm Eric.
And I'm Christopher.
And we're Grow For Me Gardening. Today we're in Cape Cod for the Hydrangea Festival.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Not Our Garden. Today we are bringing you some beauty from Cape Cod. We have been here for the Cape Cod Hydrangea Festival. Today we are in Chatham at the Chatham Bars Inn. There are 6,000 hydrangeas here, over 25 acres. Incredible blue hydrangeas, pink hydrangeas, mop heads, lace cap, everything in between. And we cannot wait to share with you how our week here in Cape Cod has been.
Hi everyone, I'm Eric.
I'm Christopher.
And we are Grow For Me Gardening. It is so nice to be here today. I wanted to start by telling you a little bit about us. We are from upstate New York in the Albany area. We are hobby gardeners. We started our garden back in 2018 when we moved into our new construction home. And we walked outside after the builder installed the landscape package, and we thought, this cannot be it. And we need to make this better. So the first thing we did was we went to our local garden center. We took pictures and we brought them to our local garden center and we talked to those employees and we said, what do we do? And they immediately started helping us. And then we took it upon ourselves to go on YouTube, go on Instagram, watch Gardener's World, talk to as many garden center employees as we possibly could. And we turned our little new build construction into a garden that we really, truly enjoy. But we're here to talk to you about perfect pairings. And I was gonna start by saying, my perfect pairing with hydrangeas is more hydrangeas. So, okay. So let me just gather a thing.
Who would you like?
Invincible Spirit 2.
There you go.
Now, we love Invincible Spirit 2. This hydrangea performs so well for us. We're in zone 6A in upstate New York. So we get really cold and then really hot and sweltering in the summer. Very humid, much like here. But our smooth leaf hydrangeas that bloom on new wood can handle full sun. So what I love is pairing a smooth leaf Invincible Spirit 2 that blooms earlier in the season with a very small, compact dwarf panicle that blooms later in the season. So this one right here is Tiny Quickfire. It is the smallest panicle hydrangea available on the market. It blooms on new wood, so no matter what happens for us, we battle deer, we battle rabbits. I feel like that's enough to battle, right? So what we get in the spring is we can cut everything back that's been damaged or if it's been whatever. And this will grow nice and tall. This gets about 4 to 5 feet tall and wide. This is nothing compared to what it's gonna look like once you plant it in the ground. It's gonna be billowy and full and beautiful. And then this will bloom right now in our garden. It's blooming. These are all these are just starting to bloom in our garden, but if you put like a firelight tidbit with it that blooms a little bit later, you're gonna get that season-long bloom for your hydrangea. So that's my first idea, is to pair hydrangeas with hydrangeas.
Eric, can you grab this Pugster Blue butterfly bush? This, I mean, I think we should pair this with itself. This is really good.
And I can smell it from here.
It does smell really
It does
nice.
smell wonderful.
What is that?
This is Pugster Blue.
It's a butterfly bush.
Now, this one I think would be great because of its size to give an example of the different sizes of hydrangea that you have at your disposal. If you wanted this to be a middle of border, you get yourself a tiny quick fire. You place it like that, and then you can get this stacked effect. Or you go the opposite way and you place it under a quick fire standard, which is gonna, we have one of these at home. We actually saved it from a big box store. We paid $5 for it. It had 4 stems on it. It now looks, it's a little bigger than this now.
It is a little
in about
bigger than
5
that.
years. So don't, this is Pugster Blue.
It's a hydrangea?
No, this is a butterfly bush.
Oh.
But I just love the,
Well, that color.
yeah, and so, I mean, but quick fire is, you know, these do bloom on the early side. So while you're waiting, if you're in a zone where butterfly bushes will die back to the ground every year, you're gonna have blooms before these pop up behind it.
Well, thank you so much
Thank
for
you very
joining us
much.
today. Time for hydrangeas.
Yeah, everybody